Didn't it rain? Sure. Rain all night long. Didn't it? Didn't it? All night long. Didn't it rain? Didn't it rain? Sure. Rain all night long. Didn't it? Didn't it? All night long. Didn't it
What?
Yeah.
Mr. Bourbon.
Oh, good morning, Miss Higgins. Jack, this is Claire Higgins.
Nice to meet you, Jack. And this is my husband, Bill.
It's nice to meet you both. Olson is a big fan of Billy's.
He is a great kid. He's my favorite student.
Well, that's very sweet, Mr. Bourbon.
We have to go now, Claire.
All right. Well, nice to meet you, Jack. I'll see you at school tomorrow, Mr. Bourbon.
Good.
Guys. I want Billy to go to another school.
What?
I don't want that man near our son.
We took care of it, Bill. He's not his teacher anymore. Don't you think you're overreacting?
You never know what those people are capable of.
What could he possibly do to Billy in a school where there's other teachers and students around him at all times? He's in a supervised second grade classroom. Changing schools on Billy right now would not be good for him.
They always figure out a way to get away with their sickness. Mr. Bierman, going home?
Mr. Higgins, yeah.
Come on, I'll walk you to your car. Stayed a little late today, huh? I've been waiting for you.
Well, you could have just asked for me.
No, it's better like this. I kind of want to talk to you in private.
But would you like to go for coffee? There's a little...
No, I can actually just walk you to your car. Tell me, Mr. Bierman, do you like hunting?
Hunting?
Yeah, you know, shoot a few buck, snare a couple of rabbits. Oh, I just love it when you snare them rabbits. They just get this stupid look on their face when you slit their throats. Know what I mean?
No. Actually, I don't like hunting. In fact, I'm a vegetarian.
No shit. So all you eat are salads and shit like that?
Mr. Higgins, what did you want to talk to me about? This is me.
Well, hunting. I want to talk to you about my passion for hunting. See, I'm going hunting this weekend with some of my buddies. And I was in the neighborhood doing some shopping, and I thought, shit, I should wait for Mr. Bierman and show him what I got. What do you think? It's the meanest looking hunting knife you've ever seen in your life. You're a lucky motherfucker to still have a job in a public school.
Mr. Higgins.
Now, you listen to me. One of the other parents told me they saw you harassing my wife. You ever come near my wife or my kid again, and I swear, you'll end up like one of them there bunnies.